So when no man say wo de we a jail person into won so police station. So kind of
yeah.
Also no police station do nso.
And so bekom no onko bi da wo.
Wa ko bi da nkeye. E ho no match na say your office police station no. Your grade wo ho. Wo be dem adu so police station and kan jam say ni yoke office ye pe. Ye bo chama wuntu ndi wura yoke office oba no wa chia.
Big difference.
Oso wanya stroke.
Big difference.
It would be me anfo wuntu mo se cheduma ase. Na tra kuro no so na jimi. Na ye so do ko wura be adu awura yi a. E na obo say yes sense no gwa wodo be mienu ne mienza. Enne se state yi ka say ekwan bia so ye be jeli wa ha no amount. Ma me ka say mjero. Say the Jewish and case on mejeliwa. No amount of noise. And the bemo meja on mejelu. Say judge no who say who are dear be wom teacher so do kwa fiase a. Ye bemo obey ni de ye be san afro aba court e do akwa fiase. Na nyame anko wa do ye komo fie du e wa fiase a. There's MPP ko di be 12 years in opposition a. Won twa sa 10 years ni we MPP kura mra power no. Sa time no. Na wa bra bo ase. Would you say doing baby dear?
Debre hwan.
Richard Anani.
Oma hene.
Ala ko jeche mantin.
Doctor you kubo. Ohane ho.
Ah? Your papa Kennedy. Would you say this individual? Buache Jakon. Your papa Buache Jakon. You jile Jakon. Do you see them some follows Agyei? Because they know say at their time politics wasn't like this.
Yes,
when they were leading MPP. Now when you say MPP, ni ya catch say so we buga you join the NDC. You get it?
Yeah.
So we buga style of communication and you join the NDC. But so we intellectual analysis what I say we MPP ni. Into first and last time we require communication yet to make us with the level of intelligent level no na say go MPP. That's what they told us. But I met who MPP communicators. There's a gentleman called Bengazi say why almost say MPP ni bi ma NDC headquarters. You look at him, no one say Jimmy, he's full of stupidity. That gentleman is full of stupidity.
Right, same movie be acquired by telemedia, so of course, so join and subscribe, no leave a comment under the comment section, like and share the link, and of course, Ohene Agyei Michael Atenas within the televangelist Samson Owusu Ebusia for Mahama Aminat, yes, Ababa you are okeka ye sabia song in friendly masem edited the sitting president. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ene hokafo no ye be kaya me say court eye bail dan so eye 1 million Ghana cedi eye titisika no 10 billion MPP for enkotua ansana eye ababa no etumi ade ne ho esle usu ensem bi na maintain time so ene ya tena si ye bedi emu komode se menimo ene de ba besom Ohene
na
no memboko de
etwidi ampodi yankwa chensi ne
ya saba
obenden
ya
ye den ye besom
yes
ye brekra ye ba besom ye be ma Ghana fo ehun bibia no kure ne da
no kure
ene bibia de etwa so mu efa no ma ekoso wo man ni ndimini ya ba ne de ye de ne yatem didi
yes
ye medi panyin bi atam
yes
de etwa se ye question ye be question no de say ye bisa ne nsem bi a ye be bisa no okuro ma
yeah
but ye de atem didi de is out but ye be mo ehun bibia no kure ne da mina
right into Ohene hey girl lady ninsemi ba yi ntenten tan so dia ye bebre say sika da no so wo se ni na dofo e wo so mukotua se sika na 1 million Ghana cedi enye sa de oboko so wadam ninsem okeka kire the sitting president no
you see ye ni hu akwanya eni ye ni sa tumi ni se ye be ka kire court se girl kwa na se san ke di bail condition bi ade to no so me ni sa tumi no
yeah
wo ye sa waka se tia ye judicial system no na se me wo sa tumi no ena me wo sa tumi no wo man we mu a anka girl wo ye dan ka me fa bail condition bi afando no so esan se wunim me nya kwanya kohwe girl ni videos bebre emra na police asem ni nya amba mu no ɛhɔ na mehu sɛ sɛbi ɛne bie ma gyimie ɛdɔɔso wɔ etirim dodo wote ase hwɛ ɛnna maame nsae tia deɛ bi nkyerɛw
okay
it is only in politics ɛne yɛwɔ nkurɔfoɔ adi ɔmo yɛ adwuma ne yɛwɔ nkurɔfoɔ nso a yɛmɔ ɔmo didi ɛwɔ politics mu politics yɛwɔ nkurɔfoɔ adi ɔmo yɛ adwuma ne yɛwɔ nkurɔfoɔ yɛmɔ ɔmo nso didi wɔ politics mu nti wobɛtumi adi panyin bi akyi saa na wonya hwee but na obi di panyin n'akyi ɔno na ɔmba bi but ɔno nso na ne yɛ odidi what I say and the set politicians say be use do why are these dirty works we kura nyo bi na use e ye wo ignorance ni jimie e na ma wo yes anu ma no
okay
nobody obien ho krom obeka kire o say wo ye constructive criticism ye beti watu ma communicate e wo various media stations e wo asantemem ha obi me nanya ni obi nka njerem say the police for kwa kwacho the reason is say I will criticize when it is necessary
okay
devoid of insult what I say
yeah
say wo ye wa adwere say wo de atemdidie ene ntwanto so e ba bewura wo communication mu a no wa aboa wo ho say bibi e fe no defamation ne de ubenya bi defamation seal de ubenya bi
okay
what I say
yeah
because it means say waboa wo ho say yesiu any day anytime ubekwa ko yi ano ndi say wo pe ni yi a just subject your communication to a constructive criticism what I say
yeah
young as she is we have been told say wawumienu that is an alleged say wawutu two no akola bia ne papa he doesn't even have a specific station say this is my residence what I say
yeah
or jump from one place to another such a person on sound so because of a fame let me tell you the secret sometimes why do you say of fame maybe fame no so betimi end the life and no career on the course of seeking for the fame no we betimi end our life on the course of seeking for fame no we betimi end no career simple even in natural sense you don't even have any career because at the end away what I say
yeah
such a gentleman such a young lady otimi what this boss so betimi the a whole president atanase a dinner them say it is sad so benyam penufuo bi it is in my first time hearing Coca say this time Coca have spoken sense oh this
yeah
because from summer get we can nipa bia we timamuni pa should know better say what the lady did no or deserve say so co prisons no koba no kusua there so that it will set as a precedent for others not to follow the same trend
na Ohene na lady na adwene ye ne say oye edi edanso Bawumia benti no obetumi akeka nsem bia
no the real name anka sample the Mahama
yeah Mahama Minat but Bawumia
the real name
yes
and wakofa Mahama Bawumia
ba ato no so
intina
na adwene ne say
so listen when you sit down now offer a whole president of a state where in Arab country me trinity life
assembly who because so we say a certain president
in various Arab countries on me trinity on screen mo be happy but you see in Ghana because you see a practicing democracy but this democracy you know lure a lot of youth into adiebiances of and what is there for them ni sanka samle mpenufu a omususu se oye MPP ni and nti yen konko support no to send a caution to the lady say this is not the style of communication because they address the lady and say or your social media communicator that's how they address it it means every single thing again you know communication department has man on where is that you know because so what ye how akumsana also your social media communicator
so minimum na nkasa
omunnim so some social media communicator and I say na masoma communicators and say omunko tra TikTok and Facebook nko ye dia then it's sad Makacho say where MPP have gotten to today, it is sad. So if you belong to the MPP fraternity, you have a long way to go. You see, and then we say, oh, I didn't think Kevin Taylor. You were mentioning names. Kevin Taylor Bakuruma. Yentimi achiro nti na mpenfo ka say obrebuo ekra nko. Ede abo abu okura. Ba ku so sa aka. Ne kra nko. Ena abrobe ono so kra nko. So you so better say it is not going to happen in our political life say. Ye di panyin bi ba better say ye di panyin natam. But if say nipa na de no ye no it try say your question integrity level ne IQ level you question it be based on a normal nipa na ye. Nobody is above criticism. But one thing that ye nuanom dada or communicators in Nkrofo do omachi say there is something that is called Electronic Communication Act. Section 76.
Okay.
What I say? So that Electronic Communication Act Section 76, no? And so at 1960, Criminal Act 1960, no etia false publication. What I say?
Yeah.
It is a obiba, na so baba kan sem bia. Na se etia ya mamre ni bi ene ye mra ni bi okrom ha mon se kire na mon kan jire ni pa se mesi se de wo ye no do wo ho eye den eto ham rather than say mo betwen nipa no because time na odi atem na mo mpanifuo hu na mo hele no na mo bo nsem ma no forgetting say during the MPP era nkrofo bi kwa exercise ade bi from democratic right you arrested them. Wonder that free speech away your constitution Constitution Article 21 no. The main component they won't crack about say obi be demonstrate. Time no more exercise they be a form of democratic right. You arrested them. Almost 49 individuals were arrested under your regime. Mujiri say ne say Akufo-Addo net so and Agyei fa camera no di Akufo-Addo at say ya. Would you people let the lady stay free? Why are you defending undefendable?
Na what they say. Miracle Abuaje crowd or say what threaten a sitting president and your crime.
You see, I've told you, say that gentleman over the time, over the years, yes. No, because we know say he's having credibility crisis. We know Oshia Edmund Tamakro. Or say on one or any point a hypocrite war. A man one instances, but he was quiet for the day. A chess or hypocrite, he was quiet for the day. Because I'm not best slamming Crawford, a bit didn't Crawford and say, Mamma Bacase, or Mamma Koye, Jolobi demonstration, no, be an angel mono. Sebi Muni answer. That was the gentleman who said that. So if you look at baby Agyei we free ba, Ohene ba, only ba. Wo papa no wo maame ko ani baby awo bo obra na afa. You all in the name of politics, you know. Who person would be a whole president of a state? It is not accepted. It's not part of our freedom of speech.
Or trend
what I say? And they look at the banker one year, you think that is a trend? No, it is the damage of reputation. So we will catch us say trend and say yedi abankawa. It is a lie. Rather, you are damaging your reputation. Who damage your reputation completely? You are damaging it completely. What did I say?
Yeah.
If you want to get a fame, subject yourself to a constructive criticism. What did I say?
Yes.
The analysis I got for people say, yeah, this is a gentleman. And I say a woman who named the orca. Yeah, a demon is a Jefi.
Yeah.
When my didn't say you bring your body in Sammy Jefi or Ghana. MPP for almost more time of almost I don't know. Because very logical analysis. Logical analysis. analysis so we wie na wo ka se wo ka kire ne se o pese wo di bank sa de na o ye no kwa you can't and na be ma sami jamfie e o Ghana. What I say?
Yeah.
If you want to do same, fair enough. Because he did that devoid of insult. Sami jamfie never insulted anybody, he criticized them. What I say?
Yeah.
If or no, that is the trend I wish I'm like that gentleman because Sami jamfie I don't want to say me penny. What I say?
Yeah.
But a kind of fast to digest it, analyzing issues. I wish I'm like him. If you want to be like you, just study the approach and the manner of the yes idea. But when he says, some person it doesn't count anywhere. Before this is stupidity in the highest level. Yeah. For someone to say, we even have that freedom.
Let's all say,
no, I've watched her videos. And someone not candidate, there is no way the Ghana police will let it slide. No way. Until me there say Andra, how come say, obey to my and the bar and the catch from prisons no obey to no for and say, if you want to do communication, this is not the way to go. The latter part of her conversation is what makes sense. What I say?
Yeah. Because
she's a lady. If only she want to, because listen. There's this young lady or more friend political maybes we're getting into the political arena or conversing or communicating though sometimes she has subjected herself to propaganda. I agree with her. But the whole thing they say she doesn't insult. What I say? Devoid of insult makes you a best communicator. What person who communicating it is not about being insultive. Me, I'm one person. I don't listen to people who insult. I wouldn't come because there's no fat. You may not have any fat. What I say? So young as she is, you don't go on that trend. That is stupidity.
But me so Ohene me mentia say aya na asem ni sisa na MPP say empenfo ni nyina tu akodi akiri na.
Look at the statement they sent across. I don't know whether it was Justin Kodua or we say let me warn every young individual in this country. Let not allow anybody lies to you. So one year look you how be jail. I'm telling you.
Yes.
1 year lock in Nyame and Bema, you will spend the number of years behind the bars. So be sure say, oh, Mudiamukwa Yababa Masin Names, near Baby Dimachia. It is a lie. Advise yourself. Because what one sound will be do a chim man sound. When Chemawu to me was locked up, I did back when MPP 4 years it was just a day no matter from. I did chim one more of a mobile.
Mama.
This young lady in the back and say, when Yamian Adumi Yina, Omla want to back just energy did the abroad yet, you know, a bit you didn't let you know. When was the care to abroad up and mom, you know. It was far bigger than yours. But yeah, bro, you were still in. It tells you, say, you need to learn sense from this angle. You learn sense and believe, say, no, politics is a different ball game.
Ohene says 10 billion is here, dear to see. We can't people for crowd the budget to class for people.
No, the question is, say, that's also a quack of pebble 10 billion. And they say, Uncle MPP Secretary, be a no mess as guarantor. Omedin as guarantor. Near Famana business will be better. So one thing is that you can never be stupid like this and say because I want to get a fame. When you deserve to be called stupid, you will call you stupid because these actions are stupidity.
Hey,
can't you reason for yourself? Say to the extent, say, Mama say me share tepano, Mombra Mube. Who told you in this country? If the police willing so much
me say Ohene na say Ghana police service no so mo ka so mo nya adwuma nya no kore da
let me tell you one thing, me see Ghana police in this country wopa kwahye fa e wo Ghana ha unless a case no munye interested enya de bia de bibia bebo omo e no meja yourself ahudi. But if some person much why it will take them less than 24 hours.
So we took Roma.
Wherever so we take Ghana could be away. On my Ghana, they will arrest you. So whatever you are saying, no what can sema?
Yes.
Nipa no ojin ho a enje. Woni ono anim say asema wo kan ye no kure. But so be fa president Muad Natanase. No direct insult say enkonkoku no. Ye hu na ye nsi na bo. Womre ya tra kro mama panyin bi aka kire e general say wa obehunu bi abunuku no ampa less than a week. I'm as well yeah, no correct. You think you see this we stupidity. Masa, you need to think. It's time to think. Sure, let me chip in something. On the 13th of May, Kwasi Pratt discussed a debut of Peace FM.
Okay.
I say, and the Kufuadu di ya pa. I didn't think Kufuadu di ya wa say every single blame be a work from heavy idea good so. So no yeah. Now so Kufuadu as president in 8 years or supporting parties from all angles. A branch or more musika or more constituency sika or more region be or more musika. Every single MP biano, the state in which you biano, Bosumi be a Kufuadu said you are more than that. Edeka will pay over 127 MPs. And Yamina Meka also losing either. And these issues were digested by Kwasi Pratt. What I say? Yeah. Into share, ya tre kroma. MPG ni pay president or to switch me this ka for ka ho bosome. Mexico de kan ho no. E switch ni pay or je no bosome. All regional headquarters in regional ni na region bi emo muska.
Na say yaudie na
bisaledi na ojimi ndene say. Emu ni hen ene ye bre ni bi. On make him say from 2017 to early 2025. Says he can ye che ene ye bre ni bi. On me tell me I'm na make kire ni enti. This is where you need to learn sense.
Ohene waka asemo.
You got it?
Yeah.
MP, you try me ka president as am manizika bro so sa. E dia kan sika ho. President will take care of all the party activities. Emmo musika suru ni form. Say ye dem awo. Ah, party co opposition ah. We do uti kwa kwaji akirema. Are you mad? Hey. We just say na twere bo akodi odi ti beji akirema ade ma asantema. Sankwa sese mu na kwa so ankodiniti kojire. Ade na wo wudi ti kokoje ade ma ade ya woni mo we. Ade eni wabusu mu se Dimitri kwa akoje. Ye chase sika we ya si 8 years down the lane MP bi Agyei double constituency bi Agyei jinisika regional bi Agyei jinisika no me bi se me nua Fatima or whatever her name is ni din dey say Mahama ho
yeah Aminat yeah
say ni ye de ma no ohia ni ba wo ni bi wait men je wo dem antwa video da e bit ma ba se wo ni ba bi mpo da you don't want to learn sense
ohene me ba wo e de na be ma babuna fafon na wayi sa insult ne threatening
and na ka kire o say
because we say girl na no up to now me menti the person way no
o ma fa ne say maye nkoye na me ya me de benya trend ni pa nyina be di wachi oh me say ba ye MPP mpanifo asore o mudi nachi but one thing and you afi no ho say a few weekends here or prison no no kwa ne dem MPP panyin bi amedam bi
yeah
ana okono ne jesi go oni dwambodu dwambodu anko bi afia maka anko bi o solution anko bi
o ya anko
nti onu kwa ne dem de wagi mi pa then wagi mi pa because we want mammy you instead of you to sit home say yenkati say short and now beton now do ahwe man you subjected yourself to stupidity.
Me kura de me ye abusuya ebi na omo pom ho asem akopa asem na chom is it that MPP for
MPP for menya do menya ni mo fatu mu say embre bi a akodi wo prison ukọ back kwa opa me mo 100 million say 200 million se fa ko ye adwuma embre bi a akodi wo prison na mpepa da many time bia nso a wo benya asem wo mra NDC ti so yi wo kro bia so a wo te obenya police station asem no edan na obeti nyina wo because wo wenu ma asem ne say wo de we a jail person into won so police station so kind of
yeah
also no police station do nso
enso bekom no onko obi da
wo akobi da nkeye ho no ma kire say your office police station your grade wo ho wo bedam adwuso police station a enkan jam say ni yoke office ye pe ye bo chama wuntu ndi wura yoke office oba no wa chia
big difference
osu wonya stroke
big difference
it would be me anfo wuntu mo se jeduma ase na tra kro no so na jimi na ye so do ko wura bebi adi wura yi a na obo say yes sense no gwa wodo be mienu ni mienza enne se state yi ka se ekwan bia so ye bejeli wa ha no amount ma min ka se mjiro say the Jewish and ka so mejeli wa no amount of noise na be mo meja o mejeli se judge ni hu se wo hu ade bi wo mtetwa so do kwa afiase a ye be ma obe ni de ye be san afro aba court e de wa kwa afiase na nyame anko wa do ye ko mo mfie du e wa afiase a there's MPP ko di be 12 years in opposition a won twa sa 10 years ni we MPP kura amra power no sa time no na wa bra bo say
na Ohene
nonsense
Ohene mi sese ade ba kokra minim se betima ye adwuma dia na wa ohwe comment section ohwe comment section
me read comment section
un say
wo ya ade nkwa krofo betwere gu ase
lady asem okokai comment section
yes
obitumi ka de bo sa enti me pese mbisa se eho no se yentimi emre bia ne obitumi ye betimi ahwe ho na
un say ade ba ko ne se wo comment section ya publish comment section
okay
e wo anu ma asem abeka abeto wo no e na nkrofo be se nipa no so okotwere gu se comment section no ogbo no homodi na oyi afi comment section ho e na obe bold na ode to ho a
okay
na nkobeti ne bia
ntira ma fo mu adi
yes comment section there oyen obi nkobo comment section
ho ahie o
what I say but the whole thing is that Misre the youth of this country emran so say politics ya de bi aye pa mani pa kwanya ebie nnuoma bi so ma wo but Misre wade na wo pese wo ye no hwe emra ne sisen e wade na wo ye no asem na wo kan nsunsu aso ben na wo because every word that comes out of your mouth have a consequence
yeah
what I say
yeah
and wumpo you see the consequence you say one you face that
yes
you face the consequence every word that you utter have its own consequence and you will face the, whether it's positive or negative what I say if the woman will be cancer asem na say what trans adwene hu say no what I'm about to say insunsu anso e beba so no ne you analyze every single word that will come out of your mouth because while I'm sitting here assembly am no me enu kan wo ha no
yes
se eyade bia enkwambo bia fatu utrim se asem na wodi panyin bia tra wodi no adam se eba ne se kine be obi take you on a insunsu aso e wo so ne sen sen wa boa ho akwakudu but wo ye wa adwene se ye betra ye be kasa tra wo be fa panyin bia ba betra ha be di natam sabe catch and say who you house meku a if you sit on this platform to tell somebody say there some city kroma MP or kroma and MC or kroma in say muno di binya na meku na then you be ready to bear the consequences of your actions what I say because when I say that I should be ready because listen say we no bi kuranya ntokwa na ka che nipa no kra say wo dey train na be meku wo betuma aka twen na obehu memo wo beku ni de untin fans so wo ka se wo beku a and then there is a word now can you be the consequence
na Ohene twen wo behu no kra
na obehu no kra na say ye fan say wo nya nka hwe wo say twen wait and see nza ne de wo nka hwe
into until say bibi be si ne de
sa what I say
but
wo de wo pa sheda fa bi resources wait and see I will kill you ne ba and if you say yes You get it?
Yeah.
So every word have a consequence. Never allow anybody to tell you, say, oh, kwakwaye, like the way MPP penophobi, everyone you do munkoye anytime be a baby yimo. Be so almost say, I then no one transin cast as a nibi. Because someone a 2 minute bomb mudidi. Ah, 2 minute by wait my Justin Code as minister. Bisawo Aminat. Da ben yebe from Assembly man and MC. Are you sick? Yembo from see you.
Yeah.
Any yembo position be for udin kwacho. Ibi a yedi ama wa yesi Aminat abon ho modern. We bi party na chi ache wa bre. E yesa ada se e be ma wa yi. Se e ma obosum e tene Ghana citizens. Ibi a wa yi no bi a woni certificate nti e fa kwacho. Ana say zoom line aprapra bi aba yempia won hye bi na pra bi. That will be your only achievement. So because of say maybe babason emi head work akwasha why say ko di 800 and 1,000 Ghana cedis. Is that why you subjected yourself to the extent say who the president is within at them? Let me tell this lady.
Yeah.
If it's a mindful frobia and can ne a no man call name
yeah
and come to me.
Right.
So if they want to do politics, they should learn the consequence of politics.
Okay.
Say you should be ready to bear the consequence of your actions. Because whatever you say have its own consequence and you bear that consequence, you know. So the consequence of her actions are comparison. It's what has landed here today in the police custody. And I pray, say, from there, Oben Ajuso Besu Nyansa, rather than as Oben Aju say, if you cry there, Minyam Pedofo di Mechinti me betuja, the next action she may not like it.
Okay.
Maybe the next action may be Edin Wepiano, and if they know a nodge for, that was Amblin. Samble na ebi adu ko di mfie bebele efiase. Efiase nso anya ba bia nipa gya na ma ene ni ku ekokodana.
Right. Ohene yeko ohun. Ye fa we nwi we kitu e be ati say 2-3 minutes bi na ye fa nso so. Bawumia so no onhye eye obi e chi say ye ntu MP bia no support.
Oh, that is a lie.
No is as if
yet here no muka kire say Ajusu constituency.
Mamen kan bu no funi bi no bi anka say ne aka achi na no. O say I will not push for the removal of any member of parliament because they didn't support me, nor should anyone do that in my name. Inu kwan so bi akoye sa ade no woni dim say Bawumia say oni sa no man ho.
I've told you that is a lie. The reason why a lie ne say engrofo unim eba na politics ade na ehye fi ase. Say the na nkomoto abani wi na ezango beka sa asem na nyembra all the branches akwa to ma ba wi no mo hu mu nkofo mo de kwa ebi ma pra ne sa akwa we de we dia ye betu no enye fe na aba beka sa asem. That is a lie because anye ye mi no mienu ye tie Ajuso constituency omo press conference omo ka kire say people were promised say some support any e ba mo benya constituency executive position.
Yes.
Who made that promise to them? Why they make it that promise? Through who? And they make it that promise. So that is a lie. That is a lie.
Say ntu na Bible nti say Bible nti say sa ne ekoso no nsani.
Ede.
O say nsani.
Oh, masa. Baby
adu. Say mudi ni di ehunu nipa okroma sa.
Baby adu na wo ba be kai is too late. O my adwuma nyina ye. Awie.
Okay.
What I say? Say the only way aka constituency aka Ajusu constituency. Ena jama kuma wo say fa asa
na de so ai swame de enso aba no pe ya nya
eba that is a lie.
Obi akotina vet
wa meka sa no beka
Ohene ya vet no woman is ya vet no ama regional guy no buy no ese omo ya vet omu nyina qualified. So what eduaba to na ese ya koyi nkrofo bi so omu ye ono pose nti omo no ko vet no mo nka ho bi.
Oh na see ya tie bebre ya say be kwai the same thing. The same thing they see here. Where the typical we support Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia on oppose. Who ba vet, no, who pa bla vet, who pa mama on oppose. So you see, I've told you that is a lie. Ni penim no babeka sa same way. But inside those meeting, they said o ka kire chema wuntu mi. Say o kwa man kwa didi obi atem. Oka de wo betimi aye. Ono ba no ka de obetimi aye. E den no so betimi aye. And then no so be abu MPP.
MPP.
Omo benefiting from the insult. He didn't think of what ma. Owie no beka kire say owie no no awi no na o ka kire say o mo kwa mo nka de meti am am godi obi atam after this that is the lie it's a well decorated lie you know since the air can say ye say omun crofo eno ma akoso nyina a kire say one could di Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia chi a automatically you lose that spot I do na abeji atun zampa you lose to that spot no because yankwan could di a team player bi achi what I say and that is very sad on the part of MPP womra omusuzi say omehin omuna mess no do say omuna mess no so ati boom at the form graph what I say omubehin omuna mess na o subject themselves to this no it is very sad oh Kruma very 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 sad very honorably very sad
wow.
You get it?
Yeah.
But all you know, no muso. What I say? But I think say you know Baba can this material point in time say and mamu family and I say mamu go say mamu go show be echi and go to obi and the omunim says agenda no o ma set here hwe e do bi ka chem say lawyer kwabra bo ati nyame ambe mo ma set agenda na afa no o meyi no oh no bi ka chem MPP ni ka chem say na so eden ade a o first time and then so yi na nim so kwa ko di Kennedy echi no mo ka chense man ko di candidate bi achi onu na mu bi sa but he believes in the ideas of Kennedy Ohene Japan into yanka eden so this thing is lies all these things are lies what I say into mean you am there sans and seven kwa dem mpe bi ati because it's a well cooked message you are not that any dey brain and your message be a different message you cook dada what I say
yeah
until sanity mean you am there dem make kire you nuan if you want to do who person who bad politics man say normal politics na avenue for all what I say obi abetimi ayeden abem but the banner wo ba no ene nsem a obeka no dwene ho say sunsuan so wasem bi a wo ka ho wo ka asem pa wo benya so abaso body and na wo ka asem bo no so e wo be wie bibia mfa wo wie so you decide as you want to go into communication make a decision make a very bold decision wo be decide say wo be call the trend of abronye ade bia na okọ prison kọ court no and as you be decide say wo be call the trend of some devi at which ade bi o ka na nkrofo do omuti bubo bia pepe ehun grata epe books when he speaks you will go and search wo be research or kasa wo be pen grata wo they will do or kasa police for be free no if you want to go on that trend fair enough that is your own cup of tea
na me Ohene girl no cry and now recorded and as in your life and she said recorded into a post into a who said video and there was something wrong with the video.
No, it wasn't a single video. And you one video not the best I don't know.
I said
a series of videos.
You one video post into who said
let me tell you one thing. Say me post to a day bin there. Now me back comment section as na me who say nkofo kwa started this how way you post no e tag Ghana police that you bring that video down. And you be onkra. O mo say okra wa nu hu adwane. But when you continue doing it, that's a will go be mom.
Yeah.
They will track you down as they've done to you.
Yeah.
What I say?
Yeah.
To the extent say, Mebodia, what do you do? Idea. Instead of you to learn sense, you sit on platforms and Mebodia. You do your blah. You see, so please, young as we are, those who want to go into politics, the space, political space in a song. A bit me envelope, a bit me phobia. But you know mo bana wo bam no fashion utim say eniye bi abada na dibia na ho aso twen eden
oh okay
wo ja say so obeye no mapa wo be di so ababa
yes
wo be no mabone a e do be wie aminat dey wo ja say because na do adam no ka say me yesu say by that pastor onya
unyai
wo ja say
that's why atwedem
wo so atwedem e fe hankop no gu nsa ni e bo sisi echi ni e piapia yodum a ho na obenu hu ba nza mpanifo di machi so mebre
o se ba ku so e hero nti bia na onu so
since okoba obeye hero no apart from so other attack regional minister so wakaza bio
no class o ye o ma lenient man ko yeso nkomesa akofa no kura
wo say regional minister na ampese obebu ano
yeah ebe nka wo twiri
wo say nti asemi a wo kan no wa adwene ho say chitafo no hwan because wo so yes ankwase asem we didi MPP for na chi a ebe du be wo ye kwa mumbu because na MPP for ye nim say ye wonpanifo ma ma me kire wo say sa no ma ye kwaso wo jiri say du ba be di achi
debere hwan
Richard Anane
o ma Ohene
ala ko jeche manten
o ma
Dr. Ibrakubo
o ha ne ho
o ha your papa attack Kennedy we use this individual bu ache jakon your papa bu ache jakon yi jire jakon Do you see them some follows Agyei? Because they know say at their time politics wasn't like this.
Yes,
when they were leading MPP, now when say MPP, ni ya catch say so we buga you join the NDC. You get it?
Yeah.
So we buga style of communication and you join the NDC. But so we intellectual analysis what I say we MPP ni. In the first, unless I meet them communication, yet make us with the level of intelligent level, no, let's go MPP. That's what they told us. But I know MPP communicators. There's a gentleman called Bengazi, someone almost says MPP Nibioma, NDC headquarters. You look at him, no one say Jimmy, he's full of stupidity. That gentleman is full of stupidity.
No, come WhatsApp tonight.
No, that's not a pantaya. Stupidity, full of stupidity. What I say? This is the kind of communication they've subjected themselves to. I don't know whether there's a Omushia, either they're emulating it from Katache Frifa, and I say Omudifi Abroye, and why Omudifi?
No, Katache crazy, so you say about for me. You say, oh, this is how man credit.
Oh, if you're about no, there's so about to just Waba.
So, okay.
What I say? So you see, you look at them. No, say, what kind of intellectual analysis is this? What person me to me His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Atanase. Because I'm an NDC, meet me analyzing no more by ya waye. We meet me by analyzing no more ye. With my analyzing no more share boss or bay on ye. Criticize that a bemo ajidin.
Yes.
And no maybe I didn't say so more ye. Can want some Ghana for a bemo ajidin. But so what person would the attempt dia? Now we try to say obekuni dia. And the obeji di me be di bone. What I say? And then I'm not going to end this in an negotiation. And I will yes, I'm quite the same way. Of course, to bet my catchers and how to be a blabeda on Weddy.
You can say, I brought you then every Monday be home and I go.
What I say? Namia Wadum, yes, every Monday be able to be found on better. Yeah, you said you about 3 years, I won't madam. You see, I didn't hear no, and some ration. Say, who yan saw dinner,
yeah, you crepa.
A chassis, showing answer.
Yes.
So, better social media. Now, dear Tameku president may say, nobody will let it go. So, let the stupidity ends.
Right.
MPP communicators should subject to intellectual analysis.
Okay.
Rather than Bugana, and more much it have on TikTok issue and
right. I'm sure for your better master, how any did you make the CEO to Ohene Jamaica and come in the tell Evangelist Samson Usu, Koswana subscribe, Koswana share, Koswa, they leave a comment and a comment section. Yakram.